Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your age on TikTok in less than a minute, so let's get started. First thing first, go to your TikTok. If you're not already logged in, that's great, you will be able to change your birthday right away, but for those of you who are logged in, I will show you how you can log out from the app. But first of all, for those of you who don't remember what was your email or phone number under which you have signed up, you need to go to the settings, go to the Me page, then up here click here on the hamburger menu, and then go to privacy and settings. And right here, if you go to manage my account, you will see your email or phone number under which you have signed up. As you can see, I have signed up under an email, so here's my email. I know under which email I have to back log in to my account. So now we need to go back and scroll down to the bottom of the app and tap on the logout. Confirm logout by tapping on logout. Okay, so once you are logged out, you need to go back to the Me page of this app and click on sign up. I know that you have already signed up on the app, but we need to do this again. And once you input your password and email, you can also choose, you'll probably see this screen right here, right? So choose your method under which you have signed up. For me it was phone or an email, so I will click here. I will choose my age properly this time. Click on the arrow to continue. Instead of phone, I'm going to use email, which is going to be okay. So this is my email. I'm going to continue now. I will try to get this capture right the first time. Yes, success. And now input your password, and you're back logged in back into your account, and now your birthday is changed. So this is how you can do this. I think it was pretty simple tutorial. If this was too fast for you, watch it one more time or click on the link in the description below, which will lead you to a website with tutorial which is set up screenshot by screenshot, so you can do this easily at home. And if you need help with managing your social media accounts, with SEO or even PPC or social media ads, or even if you need, like, I don't know, help with your WordPress website or Shopify store, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm willing to work with you, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and much more is coming soon.